what if I told you there's an AI process to learn any skill so quickly, it feels like you're cheating? Well, stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll show you how to hack your learning process with AI to pick up new skills faster than ever. And no, this is not just another ChatGPT tutorial. As someone making over $1 million per year, I use these steps to learn new skills without taking time away from what makes me money. So let's get into it. Step 1, use the 80-20 method. The first thing you have to understand is that most people try to learn everything at once and they get completely overwhelmed. Actually, last month, my friend Sam decided he wanted to become a better marketer. He bought a $300 course covering advertising, Facebook ads, Instagram optimization, profile hacks, TikTok ads, the whole 9 yards. 3 weeks later, he still couldn't create a single ad campaign. And this is exactly why most people fail after just a few weeks. They're drowning in information, but starving for actual progress. So we're going to do the opposite. By asking ChatGPT to help us learn a skill, starting with a Pareto principle, our first prompt is going to be something as simple as, I want to learn how to become better at selling, specifically selling high-ticket products over Zoom, using the Pareto principle, create a focused learning plan that covers the 20% of concepts that will give me 80% of the practical results. Break this down into the most important topics I should master first, but don't give me a schedule. Now, instead of getting overwhelmed with information, you will have a clear game plan of exactly the skill sets you need to know to get into high-ticket closing. This means you know exactly what to prioritize on and what to ignore completely. And while others like Sam are still stuck studying basic topics, you're already practicing the exact same techniques separating amateurs from professionals. But that's only step 1. Because everyone can find high leverage concepts, but not everyone can actually stick to them consistently. That's why the next step is to create a schedule. You see, generic advice like study 2 hours a day don't fit real life. And I have a recent example about this. I watched a client try to follow one of these courses that help you master a skill in just 90 minutes a day. Monday was great, Tuesday he squeezed it in, Wednesday he missed because of a work meeting, Thursday he tried to catch up by instead of 90 minutes doing 3 hours, and by Friday he was completely burned out and never touched it again. Look, you've got work, responsibilities, plans, and most courses completely ignore that reality. That's why you start strong on a Monday, but by Thursday, you're already behind. So we want to build a plan that actually fits your week. And the best part, we'll have ChatGPT build out your entire schedule with a simple prompt like, now I want you to create an 8-week practice schedule for the sales improvement plan. I can practice Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday for 30 minutes each day. Include time for review and recording practice takes. However, don't tell me exactly what to do on each day just yet. I just want a clear schedule to follow that will guide me in the right direction. Make sure to break it all down day by day. This is what you'll get. A realistic week-by-week game plan that you can actually follow. Which means when Tuesday rolls around, you don't waste 10 minutes figuring out exactly what to practice. You just show up and you follow the plan. It's like having a personal trainer who already thought out each exact workout you have to follow for the next 8 weeks. However, having a game plan is actually part of the process. Because if you don't know exactly what to do on each of these days, you're going to sit down and plan out anything that can possibly help, which is exactly what we're trying to avoid. Which is why step 3 is to get resources. See, people spend hours hunting down books, courses, or resources that might not even help. I used to fall into this trap every single time. Actually, back when I first started learning copywriting, I literally timed myself for an entire week when I decided to dive into new techniques. And I found myself spending 4 hours on a Tuesday night going down YouTube rabbit holes. Then when I sat down Friday night to write some copy, I found out I actually haven't learned anything and I was just spending time organizing my search. I spent more time learning how to do the thing rather than doing the actual thing. And plus, half the stuff I was learning or trying to learn was either too basic, too archaic, or completely irrelevant to my goals. That's why now I'm bringing in the big guns, Mr. ChatGPT. Here's all we have to tell him. Now create me a very detailed 8-week course using these concepts and schedule. I want you to find the best YouTube videos I should study, put it all together with exact videos for me to study, and make sure you keep it to the exact routine and schedule I can stick to. I want it to be the least amount of effort to become the most proficient around these concepts. From here, you will have a list of resources to go through each day according to your schedule, all centered around these 8 topics. You'll get specific videos, exercises, and practice drills that fit specifically to your schedule. No more bookmarking random videos or reels you'll never actually sit down to watch. You'll have a perfect course that's laid out just for you. And the best part, it's delivered instantly. Now, I wish I could tell you YouTube will solve all of your problems, but the reality is you'll eventually come across something you can't find on there. And that's why step 4 is creating an infinite tutor. Because what happens when you're learning an actual skill, you go through the resources, you go through the videos, but you have no one to ask. And nowadays you have to pay someone, join their community just to get an answer. I was just talking to a friend last week who spent an entire hour just trying to get a follow-up response after a sales call he had. He kept staring at a blank email, not knowing how to sound professional but not too pushy, but also remind the person about their conversation without coming off as too desperate. And what should have been a 5-minute task turned into an hour because he had no one to bounce ideas off of. And that's why I use ChatGPT as my 24/7 coach. It never gets tired, it never judges you, and it can explain the same concept 10 freaking times until you get it. All we have to do is give it these lines. Explain how to sell like I'm 5. Give me a mental model to understand how to shift my tonality to ask better questions. Walk me through a visualization exercise to help me apply question-based selling, which means you will get clear help until it finally clicks. You can ask the same question 5 different ways, get explanation for your learning style, and even specific role-play scenarios. Plus, you get feedback without waiting for someone else's schedule to fit with yours. But here's the thing. All this wonderful knowledge will go to waste if you don't put it into use. Which is why step 5 is to test yourself. People will say they have learned a new skill, but when you ask them on the spot, they can't tell you anything about it. That's like saying you learned how to ride a bike, and when your body tells you to show him, you say you can only do it in private. It's a little sus, don't you think? Last week I was talking to a sales rep called Mary who was sure she had nailed her script. But when I asked him, tell me about it, he just said, well, first you build rapport, and then he started mumbling about random techniques. He watched dozens of videos, so he thought he knew everything about it, but when he actually had to use it, he realized he knew nothing. And this is the gap between recognition and actual understanding. And that's why we're going to teach ChatGPT to question and challenge you on exactly what you're learning. Here's the prompt for it. Use the Socratic method to challenge my understanding of what makes a good sales presentation. My statement is, presenting my features and benefits is all I need to close a deal. This will give you powerful feedback that fills in these knowledge gaps, which means you'll find blind spots in your learning before they can trip you in real life situations. So here's the thing. You can have all the video links and schedules you want, but if you can't build the discipline to do it consistently, you will never succeed. So if you want to see how to actually build discipline, watch this video and I'll see you over there.